And yes guys, official na Taiwan extends visa-free privileges for Filipinos until 2026. According yan to their foreign minister. So yes, di ba, a lot of you have been asking, mag-extend ba yung visa-free dan sa Taiwan? Yes, usually di ba, year on year ini-extend yan. Usually June, July yan mag-e-extend. So now, safe po tayo. If ever you have flights, go. Pwede. Visa-free po tayo ulit sa Taiwan. So yes, we're safe. And of course, ito yung mga final reminders, strict po si Taiwan. So you cannot bring in meat products, any kind of meat products in Taiwan. So if ever you have a flight going to Taiwan, please iwasan nyo na yan kasi very strict ang customs sila. Papasok pa lang ng bansa nila. Kahit yung mga Jollibee nyo yan, kung example kakainin nyo yan, guys, kainin nyo, ubusin nyo sa plane pa lang kasi ipapatapon nyo yun doon. Or baka mamaya kung nakita, natitago nyo yan, mapapenalize kayo dyan. So please be careful lang doon. And of course, Taiwan is a lovely country. So if ever you get a chance, guys, mga seat sales, diba? Philippine Airlines is having their sale then, go!